Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can set up a medication reminder on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do is to just enter the health app, press browse when you go for the setup, and now you'll be able to find the medications right here. And press add a medication, type the name of it, choose the form, for example, whatever, and here you'll be able to schedule it, and that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.